This is Akashvani Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. The government has convened an all-party meeting in New Delhi today after Operation Sindoor. Leaders cutting across party lines have lauded Operation Sindoor and expressed pride at the armed forces' action against terrorists. Opposition had earlier extended its support for any action that the government takes in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. Meanwhile, film and sports personalities have hailed the Indian Armed Forces for Operation Sindoor against Pakistan. Actors Akshay Kumar, Kangana Ranaut, Allu Arjun and Sunil Shetty praised the Indian Armed Forces for carrying out missile strikes in retaliation against the barbaric terror attack in Pahalgam that killed 26 civilians. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh yesterday said that India has exercised its right to respond to conducting Operation Sindoor, and the action was initiated in a very thoughtful and measured manner. Mr. Singh said this while addressing the 66th Raising Day event of Border Roads Organisation in New Delhi. He said that the armed forces scripted history by acting with precision, precaution and compassion to destroy the camps used to train terrorists in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The minister also said that the armed forces have shown sensitivity by ensuring that no civilian population is affected during the operation. In Manipur, the mock drill Operation Abhyas was held in multiple locations of Imphal, Tengnopal, Charochanpur, Ukhrul and Bishnupur districts yesterday. The drill was held under the provisions of Section 19 of the Civil Defence Rules 1968, Ministry of Home Affairs, was jointly carried out in the state by the Fire Department, State Disaster Response Force, National Disaster Response Force, Health Department, Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, Civil Defence, Educational Institutions, State Museum and the Directorate of Information and Public Relations. The primary objective of mock drill operations Abhyas was to evaluate and strengthen the state's emergency response capabilities during air raid scenarios. Days after Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw insisted that the centre will not give up on its efforts to operate trains in Meghalaya, the State Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma has defended the introduction of railways in the state amid concerns about influx of non-indigenous people and illegal immigrants. Sangma stated that illegal immigrants do not come through trains or flights but rather through the porous border. He acknowledged that Meghalaya has a large open border with Bangladesh and that constitutional mechanisms like the 6th Schedule, autonomous district councils, land rights and traditional institutions are strong mechanisms for protecting tribals. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday handed a cheque of 1 crore rupees to Nazareth Hospital, Shillong in a bid to improve healthcare services to the people, especially the underprivileged and marginalized. Speaking during the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the government is committed and focused on the health sector in spite of the numerous challenges inherent in the sector. Informing the gathering about the genesis and the conceptualization of the Meghalaya Health Advancement Policy, he said that this is to provide quality, efficient and affordable healthcare to the people, and this is where the government can partner with different hospitals. In Meghalaya, Ri-Bhoi District Police has issued a formal advisory urging residents to avoid consumption of wild forest mushrooms, which may be poisonous, often harvested without proper identification or safety measures. This advisory comes in the wake of reports from some districts where individuals have fallen seriously ill and in some tragic cases lost their lives after consuming toxic forest mushrooms. In an official public statement, Ri-Bhoi's Senior Superintendent of Police V.S. Rathore has strongly appealed to the public for cooperation. He emphasized the importance of seeking immediate medical attention at the nearest PHC, CHC or other healthcare facilities if anyone exhibits symptoms following the consumption of forest mushrooms to ensure timely medical intervention. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from all in the Akashvani Shillong. Have a nice day.